Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I am Doc Shane and I thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. So today I am at the grocery and I would like to share to you my grocery TIPID tips. Kabalo ta nga lisod ang panahon karon, so we need to make most of our peso. So here goes guys. I usually make a list guys before I go to the grocery or to the market. Mas ganit mangud siya kay may tabuan na ipula kay lista. Tendency is magkuha na lang ka o sa inyong gusto. So mawala magani sa lista o mawala sa control ang nailista. How much more if wala kay lista? So ma-defeat ang purpose na mag-save ta. So, make a list before you go to the grocery or to the market. Next is, I usually eat before I go to the grocery. Dapat busog yun ka nga mag-grocery. Kaya ang tendency po na when you're hungry and you go to the grocery, tendency is mapalit kang daghan pagkaon. And it will result and you will know that you have blown up your budget. Kay daghan kay gay ikuha nga dili di mo dapat paliton. So don't go to the grocery with an empty stomach. So today I had late lunch and I took my late lunch first before I came here to the grocery.
Another tip is to buy cheaper alternatives of the goods you need. If the number one brand is quite pricey, you may choose the alternative which is cheaper and also not far behind the known brand when it comes to quality. This tip is helpful these days when not all brands are available due to the compromised manufacturing or production caused by the COVID-19 pandemic.
I usually buy in bulk, mas cheaper man ang dating if you buy in bulk than in small portions. Already paid the cashier, so there is it. And my last tip would be to bring an Ecobag of your own.
An Ecobag usually costs 6 to 10 pesos and at most 35 pesos for the large ones. And imagine the money you save if you just bring your own bag every time. Aside from saving money, you also help save and protect the environment.
Hi guys! Nakauli na ko and I am done doing my grocery already. I really hope nga nakatabang sa inyo ang mga grocery tipid tips nga akong gi-share sa inyo. We should always strive to save money in whatever we do. It doesn't mean that because we are already earning, we would not think of savings anymore. Syempre, maguna-una gihapon ta nga magtipid kay kanang atong kwarta, wala man na nato gikatulgan. That is my mantra in saving. Kay wala man na ato man nang gi-spendan og singot, dugo, o maglayo man ta sa atong mga kapamilya just to earn. So it's only important and it's only reasonable that we try to stretch our peso, especially during these hard times. During the pandemic wherein there are a lot of companies laying off and it has really affected the income of most of us, especially the informal economy. So that's it guys. If you found this video very helpful and if you like it, please do click like and also please share it to your friends and family. Please do not also forget to subscribe to my channel and also please click the notification bell so that you would be notified of new videos that I will be uploading into my channel. Thank you very much for spending time with me. Take care guys and keep yourself safe. Bye!